Today we're examining an example of the M1 Abrams family of tanks here at the Fort Carson 4th Infantry Division Museum in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Citations in the description. Explore, like, and subscribe. The tank was first introduced in 1980, designed to replace the M60 main battle tank. Designed and produced by Chrysler and then General Dynamics Land Systems, the tank was named after Vietnam War General Crichton Williams Abrams, Jr. The M1A2 version rolled out in late 1992. The M1A3 is expected to be fielded between this year and 2030. One of the killer advantages of the M1 at the time of induction was the ability to fire accurately while moving. Originally armed with a 105mm gun with the M1 and M1A1, it was upgraded to a 120mm gun with the A2. Secondary armament includes a 7.20mm and a 50 caliber machine gun. It is shielded with Chobham armor and protected from biological, nuclear, and chemical attack. The M1A3 is expected to be 50% more efficient, feature an autoloader, and be able to work with and defend itself from drone and other robotic weapon systems. And that has been a look at the M1 Abrams tank here at the Fort Carson 4th Infantry Division Museum. Explore, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.